How to log in into Apple TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll learn about how we can log in into Apple TV. So let's go ahead on how we can do so, but before that don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and then turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to log in into Apple TV, these are the process you may follow. You may just head over to a Chrome browser or any of the browser available if you are on an Android device. After that, you're going to go ahead and click on the first link that says login into Apple TV. So you're just going to go ahead and click on that, and after that, you're just going to use the login credentials of your Apple ID. And if you don't have an Apple ID, you can just create one on this site, Apple TV Plus. So here you may just go on with the process of continuing with email. After that is done, after you have successfully logged in, you're just gonna go ahead and open the Apple TV, and on the Android TV screen, you're just gonna search for Apple TV first of all. After that, you're gonna go ahead and install the app from the Apps tab or add it to your favorites on your Android TV. After that, you're going to go ahead and open and sign in into your Apple account in your TV as well. After that, you're gonna use your phone screen in order to scan the QR code in your TV. After that, follow the instructions on your device, and you're gonna use your remote of your TV. And in order to, you may just sign in into your Apple account and complete setup. After that, just link your account with your phone with your Apple TV, and that's how you basically sign in into Apple TV successfully. So therefore, follow this method in order to sign into Apple TV from your Android device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.